Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Nice to see you. I am Imran and today we will discuss parts of speech. We will practice parts of speech with the help of a sentence. There are 9 parts of speech. These are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection, and articles. So let's start. Parts of speech. Now I am going to write a sentence, and with the help of this sentence I will explain these 9 parts of speech. Wow, I daily write a beautiful letter and an application in university. So the sentence is, wow, I daily write a beautiful letter and an application in university. So first of all, wow. This is interjection. The words which express sudden emotions or feelings at the occasion of happiness or sadness are called interjection. And the examples of interjection are, oh, alas, etc. Now the word I. It is a pronoun. A word which is used instead of a noun is called pronoun. And the examples of pronoun are us, we, he, and etc. Now this word daily. It is an adverb. The words which adds something to the meaning of an action or verb. Another adverb or adjective is known as adverb. And the examples of adverb are speedy, very, too. Now this word write. It is a verb. The word which is used to express the state of action of a subject is called verb. And the examples of verb are is, are, play, eat, etc. Now this word a. It is an article. And the examples of article are an and the. Now this beautiful. It is an adjective. A word which is used to add quality or quantity of the noun is called adjective. And the examples of adjective are nice, 10, half, etc. Now this word later. It is a noun. A word which expresses the name of a person, thing, or place is known as noun. For example, name of a person is Aslam. Name of a place is Lahore. And name of a thing is letter. Now this word and. It is a conjunction. The words used to join sentences, phrases, clauses, or words are called conjunctions. And the examples of conjunctions are but, or, because. Now you know this. This is an article. This is noun. Now this word. It is preposition. A word which is used in relation to a noun or a pronoun is called preposition. And the examples of preposition are on, about, into, and under. So, it was today's lecture. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.